Hello everyone, hopefully you can hear me. I did do a recording earlier, but the sound didn't really turn out. So, I'll tell you what happened last time in the video. The sound wasn't very good. I did find some osmium, where it's being scattered all over the land. Also found a little dome place that went in there. There wasn't much in there. I also discovered that all the ice on the ground is basically gone. The water's starting to approach up here now. And I also had problems collecting algae from my algae collectors. I'm gonna hope it's just because we weren't in the plant stage. We're just hoping that's what I couldn't do it, unless they changed something in the game. So I was having little problems with that. So that's what happened. I did turn it on to record about the new things I found. But yes, that's about it. So now I logged on because I have myself two of these fusion cells, so I'm gonna go in here now and see if we can open this door. A lot of the ice have melted everywhere, so I'm able to go to new places, but I still have not found iridium or uranium. So we're gonna go like that, and let's see. Oh my. Wow. This is insane. Wow. Okay. So, I don't have any oxygen. So, I'm thinking... Oh, this is where our blazar crystals... Okay, so what I'm gonna do... Before I go in here, I'm just gonna... go and grab some stuff to build stuff, if I can build in there. Just because I don't have any oxygen. So, blazar crystals are not... They're gonna be very helpful later. That's gonna be extremely helpful. But right now, we're so early in the game, I don't think this area is gonna be too useful. But, you never know. Let's go find out. Before I go deeper in, I just want to make sure that I'm able to plant something in here. I am. Okay. Good. Alright, I'm just gonna go down and check this. Alright, so we're starting to get some of these multipliers. I actually found some on my way as well during my farming. I also found some bacteria samples during farming, which is great. Sure. Gonna slowly cruise around here. Oh, nice. Okay, so we're just gonna pop base. Alright, so what we got in here? Perfect. Okay, so got some air. Just explore in here. Table. Okay, we got downstairs. And that could be pretty deep. Let's just go through here first. Okay, we got another access card. That's helpful. More plants. More rockets. I wish we could open these. Anyway, so we can go downstairs. That's super. I'm just gonna go out here and... chest. So I'm just gonna put this stuff in here for now. Flowers, seeds, the access card. I don't need that. Honestly, I don't need this. But we're gonna some of it away right. I could have emptied everything, but that's okay. Alright. Hopefully this is not a maze. Well. I don't know if I can do anything with that. Goodness. No. Okay, so we can't do nothing with that. Move that. Oh, no. Alright. Now we got some credits. So if you click on this, It goes into our inventory as money, which would be good for when you get the trading rocket. Alright, so we got another one of these. How many do we need? Just one. Okay. That way we can open up more areas. I gotta be careful because I don't... If I get lost... then we'll be in trouble. Okay, so we know this is down here. We're gonna do a lot of exploring down here. At least we know it's there. Right now, we're just gonna go get some air. Put some of this stuff away. I'm just gonna go... just because... Okay, we can get quick. Really right now. I would actually like to find some more iridium and... This just looks like a crystal thing. Which, don't get me wrong, is good. Not right now. Okay. And even destroy. That is cool. I don't know if that hurts me if I go in there. And it looks like this is gonna go somewhere. Ram, like... Okay. So what we can do while we're here is I wonder if we can just... Could put silicone. Let's see. I need to think about what I want to do here. I'm going to keep the access card here. Or not. I'll keep it here. I'm going to drink some water. I'm going to keep these here. These are good. Heat multiplier, that's not bad actually. And I do need that. Okay, so at least we know this is here. I'm gonna head back. Alright. So out here, as you can see, we got some green moss growing everywhere. As you see, I don't see no more ice. They pretty much melted. Even the little ice in the ground melted. What I'm gonna do also is I want to build because I got lost. Seriously lost. There was this one area that was so much water that I couldn't jetpack above it when I fell in it. And it was really hard to get out. So that whole area I had before somewhere over there is full of water. So yeah, I don't know what to do with that area. But I was hoping to find something that was helpful. So the area behind that thing where I'm staying at, you can go around it now and go all the way around. Okay, there. But I do want to go see if any of my bacteria has grown. I want to see what purification level I'm right now. I want to see how much power I have. And put all these resources away. Always explore the other part later. You can get it. Alright. So another thing I did, I don't know if I said last video that didn't turn out, I started building some markers on the water. Just to see how fast it was rising up. Started with 4, was at 2 up, and then it covered the 4. And when I talk about the 4, this is what I'm talking about. I stacked a bunch of these up, just to see where the water level is. Okay. I don't think I have any seeds on me. Okay, so I don't think we have any osmium. We do have quite a few of these. Good, because we do need these. We do have some more aluminum. 8. Starting to get some green stuff, which is good. I've been struggling, so this is from me farming, trying to find all this green stuff. We really need it. Okay. 1 sulfur. So nothing here. So in here I did find these: an oxygen multiplier, pressure, and heat. One. Access card. I'll just take with me, just because I did have an access card the other day. So in here, we found 1 more of these. I found some bacteria and some DNA samples lying around. I'm just gonna see if I can put these plants in here. I do have 2 plants. Okay, we're gonna throw these in here. Done. Alright. Alright, so I did unlock another rocket, which is good. So we're still in the water plant stage. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna quickly go down and check if I got anything. When I was down here, I did take some of my stairs apart, because there's no point. They're in the water, so... Get some iron. I did plant this new algae one. I planted this one, which is diarrhea. Managed to get an extra fertilizer. Let's see what's happening here. Okay, so we got some algae here. Perfect. Okay, this is algae. We need this. This planter gives me lots more, as you can see. Let me plant this. It seems like that crystal's in the way. Now, I'm not sure about these ones. Art. Because I don't know if they're supposed to be under the water or if they're broken. Oh, this is important. Meteor shower. Okay, this is super alloy. Goodness. More guys. Oh, these things disappear so fast. I don't know why I don't stand around. Those are rare. And when you get them, they're glorious. That one there? I wish I got them during the daytime so you can actually see. I'm not seeing any more super alloy. Okay, so I quickly just threw stuff in the box there. Okay, so we got some more super algae. Alright. This is amazing. Now we're gonna run out of room. Fine. Alright, so let's take all this back. Alright, so now we got some bacteria. So we're gonna go here, we're gonna make one of those. More water. Okay, now we're gonna need this stuff. Alright, so now we're gonna go in here. We got one left of these. We got some bacteria now. This is good. Put this stuff in here. Okay. We can do a nugget. Just do these. These, I believe? Okay, good. What else do we have? We need some more. Okay. Now, we're gonna take those algae things apart because they're not helpful. We're gonna make another algae collector here. We're gonna take this apart. It's broken. That is my conclusion. I'm going to take this one apart just because it's getting jammed by that crystal. I don't need to deal with that. So we're just gonna put it like this. Alright. I think I got all the other ones. Yes, I don't want to make any of those. I'd rather make these. Okay, so we got a couple algae collectors there. Put this away. We're gonna keep these in here because we do need to use them. What else do I need? What else? So now we can make this, if possible. Just need black, which we need more algae, which I pour them apart. Okay. As I say to myself. So we got green, 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 green. Now what is green? Can I tear the green apart to get a black? I've never done this before. Right. Mr. Recycler, can I put this in here and you give me black? I have never tried this. Oops. Oh my goodness, it does work. Oh. Ow. That makes me happy. I didn't. Oh, that's nothing. Look at that. Okay, so now we do. Now we have two of those. Look at this. Just cheat a little bit. I just need a sulfur. And I hope I have enough power for this. We need to make some trees. Take a look at our power. We have 141, which should be fine. Okay, we're gonna make a tree thingy. It's kind of full over here. So I'm gonna put a tree thingy by over here. Oh, another thing I did, I don't know if you noticed, I did build another pressure. Okay. Alright, we're just gonna build this. Now this will help give us some trees. Alright, we don't. You might have built on top of it. Alright, we're just gonna get iron. Trying to clear this up a little bit. We do need these resources. There. Alright, now we're going to make a door so we can fit in this. Alright, air. So this is gonna make us tree bark, which is gonna be amazing. All right. We're making good progress. Looks like the water stopped rising up over there. Now I did unlock Flower Spreader 2 as well. Okay, but how much oxygen does this tree give? It gives me oxygen. Look at that. Plants. Oh. Okay. I'm just gonna go up into the rocket and see what we need for the plant spreader. And I think I unlocked another rocket as well, which yes. Okay, we got GPS level 3. We could do that one. We have this one already. Plant rocket. We need tree bark. So we're one step closer to that. Perfect. Now before I forget, we're gonna make a beacon. Getting lost is no good. Okay, beacon. I just need aluminum. Hey! So this beacon is gonna help us get home. Okay, these out again. Okay. So we're getting lots of food now. I'm gonna have to make more boxes. Okay. Beacon! Is Bob right about here? Which one's which? I don't. Just do it like that. Alright. Now let's pick the color we want. I'm gonna do red. There we go. We have beacon. Now hopefully it won't get too lost. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna make another room for food because we seem to be... Which is a good thing. Alright, so we need food in here. I don't like eating that. Okay. Water. Perfect. And we're just, I think we're full in the water category. See, this is a good thing collects ice. I do need them. Okay. We're gonna put these away. This thing away. I just put this in here because I need to make another box. Okay. Oh yeah, my super alloys. Well, let's just throw it in here for now. Okay. Now, actually, I'm just gonna make some oxygen because if I'm gonna cruise around in that thing down there and get lost. Save. Alright, so we'll do a little more cruising in that new spot. Now we got our card with us. Okay. Go back there. It's very good. We're making some good progress. I did see little green flowers up in another area. Oh, there's my... So another thing I want to do is take that T4 heater, so deconstruct those other heaters that are sitting in my house. Because if I get them out of my house, this T4 heater can actually go outside, like the power can. And that way I can clean up my basement. Which would be great. We're gonna head back to that new area. I I still need to find... I don't know where the iridium is. I'm hoping it's not buried in a cave underneath all this water. Buried in... This isn't an advanced planet for advanced players. Given the fact we can't find iridium and uranium, probably see why they are not here. Or I just went by them. Well, let's see. I think we should be good for oxygen. I'm just going to fly right in. Oxygen. La 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 la. Hey! Maybe, some of these mines are missing. Probably I have to unlock them. Alright, so we got our access card. I'm just gonna put it in there. Same with that. Alright. Let's go down. Let's see if we can get lost, shall we? Okay, as you can see, that's my beacon. Good. That helps me get home. Later on, we can do beacons for everything else. I'm just gonna take this way. I'm gonna try to... Good thing I did. There's no access. Okay, so there's nothing here. The access. Okay, note. We don't have to turn here. So here. Around. So we went down here, didn't we? We found... just this thing. Okay. Alright, so I'm just gonna go back the way I came. So I came around here, so now we're gonna go by the hose. More credits. More credits. Okay, it looks like what we're gonna need to open up doors here is we're gonna need to find another nuclear fusion core. By the looks of it. And I don't see any. So that was pretty fast. I thought for sure we get one. I think this area is done now. Alright, let's put that away. I do need iron. Okay. Now, is that the only thing? It is this thing. Dive in the water. What's down there? Go in the water. Nope, doesn't look like anything's down here. Just selenium. Okay, so that's all that we got in here, guys. We do need a power core. So, I don't think we need those two access cards. I'm gonna grab those. We'll keep this here, just... we'll take this. Pharmacy is important. I could carry more. I guess we'll take some... Alright, so that was it for that, I guess. For now. That's not bad. Alright. So, I don't know if I can... Nothing else around here, besides the fact we're going to be finding... Right. But... if we get more of those showers, it'd be nice. But all this ice that was built around here didn't really unlock. I did a lot of searching and I didn't see any caves. above. I don't know if there was actually caves or... Nothing I didn't find through the whole area is like the case going around. I haven't found anything yet. So yeah, we'll go back to my base and take a look at what progress we're at. And I'm trying to think what else we can do. Well, eat. I should actually terrify these plants. Gosh. Interesting to know. Kind of cool if they were. Look at that big beacon of hope right there. Beautiful. We do have those heaters. We can just put the big heater up. Let's see if I can do that. Let's put the stuff away and at least make one big heater. Alright. I don't know if I had a seed. No. Okay, what we got in here? Just so I can see more of this. Great, we can probably make a rod. More of these, so we're doing okay for now until I make a heater. Guess I missed these. This is better than I had before. This is... Oh, my cat has come to visit me. Yes, you want attention. Of course, when I'm playing a game, you want attention. For me, how things work, right? David lots of loves. That's my cat low-key just thing. We got our key cards. I'm just gonna throw them in here. We can probably do some pressure multipliers here. I'm gonna have to make those. But first, I should actually make a gas extractor. I haven't locked that yet. No, I haven't unlocked the lake water collector. Oh, I unlocked that. I didn't even know. This helps me collect water from the lake, so I don't have to use these. Which doesn't really matter. I like this one because... What are you doing over there? That's playing. Okay. What else did I unlock? That is pretty much... Alright, so I probably think I'll just take a break here, and what I'll do is just do some farming and maybe destroy all of these, what I need for this big guy. Super alloys. Oh, I need explosive powder. Wow. I don't know about that. Oh yeah, I can make some. Forgot, those are easy. Can't remember if it's 2 or 1 or 1 or 2. We'll just forgot, these guys are easy. Okay. They just need a lot of iridium, which is a problem. Okay, and we need 3 super alloy, no problem. So I'll make one of these just so you see what they look like, and I'm going to destroy all the ones inside just to make more. Now where should I put the heaters? Okay. Where do you want me to put it? Oh, I can probably help. So there's our big heater. Beautiful. And then we can come in here and destroy all these. Then what we'll get from these resources, we'll get some more iridium and some will be good. See, one of these do 28.5. This one does 530. So yeah, we're definitely going to make more of these. And anyway, we'll take a little break. Thank you.